Hey guys, it's your girl Ebony Rosa, and today we are back with another video. As you can tell by the title, we are installing my favorite hair color. If you know, you know. I love pink. Like, pink is not it's not a color, y'all, it's a lifestyle. This hair is from Oqhair. I believe this is a 24-inch. I'm not sure if y'all can tell on camera. It's not like a blush pink, it's more like a salmon pink. Like, that's what they actually call it on their website. It's salmon pink. The blue wig I had on, that was also from them. That like blue 8. They always eat with their colored units. As always, this hair will be linked down below along with everything else I'm using. If you want a more slowed down, like, actual tutorial and detailed video, go watch this video right here. In that video I explained everything I used, every step I do, so go watch that one. I don't know what she's giving because she's not like super long. Like, she's right underneath my boobs. I don't know. Last time I did a middle part with crimps. I want to switch it up. Maybe I'll do a side part with like real cute bombshell curls. What y'all think? First things first, y'all know we got to cut them ear tabs off. I saw the technique where people like take their wig off and trace their ear. To me, it seems like more complicated. I'd rather literally just trace my ear and kind of just go for it. I guess it would be hard like if the wig doesn't fit you, but it's pretty easy. It's pretty easy. Once you do it a couple times, you get used to it. So now we have both sides off. You can see my hair a little bit right here. If you have on a ball cap, like a real ball cap, you don't have to worry about that. Y'all know I will always go in with my trusty, dusty boho liquid gold. Like, this is my girl. She's really my girl. Nobody can come between me and her. Ow. Ow. I just came from Florida, y'all, so I have a little tan line. I'm not getting braids no time soon, so it don't bother me. And then we're just gonna take it and put it down right where it is. Now, I'm so far from the mirror, so I can see, but I can't see how I want to see, but it'll do. It'll do. It looks like it's where it needs to be, right? I know y'all probably like, what background is this? When have you ever been here? This is my new suite in Dallas. If y'all are in Dallas, please come book with your girl. My booking site is right there in the description box. I got snacks. We're just gonna tie it down with this elastic band I had to get from Michael's. I don't know if I should do a side part or a half up, half down. It's a 13 by 4, so the wig space is like decent. So this is like all of the wig space. It's not small, but this will be all the hair I have for my ponytail. That is so thin. That's literally so thin. I cannot. Side part it is. Now I'm gonna take my trusty dusty She Is Bomb wax stick and put that all over my part so we don't have flyaways. Colored hair always has the worst flyaways. Like, I don't get it. Then we're gonna take my favorite hot comb ever, this Turfix hot comb, and really get in there. And yes, I have this on 450 degrees. Now I am gonna go section by section up here to get a super duper flat. If y'all not doing this for y'all side parts, especially your straight side parts, then you need to start doing this. Now I would usually curve my part to make it cover up this back track, but I don't feel like doing that. Y'all know I'm using my Annie razor, but this is how we looking so far. It's giving jump scare. I know. Y'all just gotta trust the process, okay? This is really scary. I guess for video's sake, I'll just do this one, but I'm not doing my sideburn. I'm not doing it. Y'all not gonna force me. Y'all not gonna bully me into doing my sideburn. I have been using this new spray by Ebony. Baby, when I tell you, y'all, it be doing the trick. They don't be playing. They don't be playing. Either or, but lately I've been into this one for sure. Y'all know I take it on my finger first, and then I'm just dab it into the lace. Then I'm gonna go in with my darker shade. I'm not gonna use any lace tint because I don't want to color the hair. I'm using 16, lightly dab. Just cutting my baby hair at an angle. Of course, y'all know I'm gonna go shorter once it's molded and everything. I just like to always start off long because why not? And to mold my baby hairs down after I do them, I am going to be using this mega wrap strip. You can find this on my Amazon storefront as well. I don't think I've ever mentioned this to you guys. This is the truth. You cannot go wrong with the 𝐒𝐿𝐺 style and wrap mousse. Shake it up, take it on the back of my hand. I do a few pumps. Take my baby hair brush and just go to work. You do have the option to, of course, curl your baby hairs. Like I said in my last video, I just don't see the need to. Now I'm gonna sit under the dryer for maybe like 15 minutes and I'll come back. Let's take it down, like, let's see how we really looking. Yes, ma'am. This is so cute. I'm gonna run it over this. Everybody walking by acting like they ain't never seen a bitch with pink hair.
I don't think so. I know how you making the color work for you, but you making them colors work. There's some kind of natural beauty. This Jamaican singer, I forgot. Natural beauty. She don't need no makeup to be a cutie. Who she is? She's Raya. She's Raya. That's the song.
I know that song. So this is the final look. It's super cute. It's definitely in my like Nicki Minaj era. If you're nervous about doing color, like literally just go for it. Like you have nothing to be scared of. If I can walk around in this pink wig, something you. There's no reason why I should be seeing jet black bust downs all summer. Throw a color in the head. For real. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you guys enjoyed this install, and as always, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and share this video to your fellow friend who needs to try color this summer. I will see you guys in my next video.